for with respect to the Squad Ninja. Okay, so first, what you are trying to do, you are trying to do, or what I am trying to do, or some affiliate of this Squad Ninja will do. First, you will try to bring free users. Okay, we'll try to bring free users to our whole this system. Okay, because we are offering this 60 days internet marketing program, which is very valuable. So it is very easy for you to bringing the user, okay, free user into this whole program. Okay, and because we are using this whole 60-day program, you can say very highly effective a lead magnet also. Maybe if you heard about the lead magnets, good. Later I will explain you more about kinds of lead magnets, okay, and how you can build your own. So now this free use, if after some times he feels that, okay, I find this whole free program very valuable, so let's convert me into the pro user, where I will get more in-depth knowledge, okay, more videos, and it's each month few videos or few courses are coming. Okay, so he's finding that instead of taking other separate courses from other internet marketer, here if I join this pro user, so each month I am getting something valuable course or videos related to our internet marketing. So suppose he feels, okay, this course, let me also become a pro member. So if that person is becoming the pro member, you will get this 50% commission. So for example, what I have said, $100, we have said this is the pro user has to pay. So if someone join from free users to pay user, you will get $50 your commission. So here I'm saying $100 for a yearly plan. Okay, maybe monthly or that should be different, but just for the example I've taken this as $100. Okay, so it means you'll get 50% commission. So your earning will be $50 or $50. Okay, with one promo. Now think reverse. Okay, how many pro users you need to get? Okay, $1,000 in 2 months. Okay, so if you now you're getting my point. What you have put there? Okay, sorry. Here I have put it $1,000. Basically, it should be 1,400 because our revenue was 1,400. Correct? Okay. So how much I need? Okay, how many pro users I need with $1,400? Because this is my revenue. Okay, so if you divide $1,400 with 50, okay, you want $1,400. Okay, if you divide 50, so you need 28 pro users. Correct? Got it? So in that 2 months, I have set, okay, I have set this my goal for 2 months. So in 2 months, I want 28. Similarly, you also care about your own business. Okay, if you have, or for your own product. Okay, so for a Square Ninja, I need 28 pro users to earn $1,400 revenue and $1,000 as a profit. Correct? So we are just clearing our goal. Now let's come to the next slide. So if we summarize, okay, what should be the goal? In 60 days, I want $1,400 revenue with 2,800 pro user. Till now, this is my kind of goal, correct? So here I'm setting a timeline, 60 days, setting the revenue, 1,400, and how many number of users, pro users I want, 28. Okay. Now you can dig in. Okay. So now you see, first thing, for example, all your free users are not going to convert into the pro member. That's a fact. Okay, all the free users are coming to this Square Ninja. Okay, some people may feel, okay, they don't require this, don't maybe they don't like this or this program. Okay, some people think, okay, right now I'm busy with some stuff, stuck, I'm somewhere else. Okay, so maybe I can join after 1 month or 2 months. Some people may think, uh, some people may take more time. Like if you are taking 30 days to completion the course, maybe some people are taking 90 days or 120 days. Okay, so there will be several factors or reasons that, yeah, some people may feel the course fee is high. Okay, whatever. So there will be several reasons. So you can't get 100% conversion. Okay, so what? Suppose you are getting 10% conversion. Okay, this is, you can assume that, also you have to assume it. Okay, that what should be the percentage of conversion I can get. Okay, so I assume that, okay, I can get 10% of conversion. Okay, so 10% of conversion means what? You need 280 free members, free users. Getting my point, correct? So for getting 28 pro users, you need 280 free users, because you are thinking that my conversion rate will be 10% in 60 days. So my my if 280 people are there, so 10% of the 28 will become the pro users, and then I will achieve my target of $1,400 revenue, okay, or $1,000 profit. Okay, got it? So now we have to go one step more back. Now getting this 280 members into the free users, or let them to sign up. Okay, so again you have to assume one conversion. So here again I'm assuming a conversion rate of 10, means people who click my ad. Okay, suppose I'm going to, I have to do this advertisement, correct? So I'm going to advertise it on my via Facebook ad, for example. Okay, so via Facebook ad. So suppose from the Facebook ad, people are clicking there and they are coming to my landing page or my sign up page, you can say. Okay, now again, all the people who are clicking your ad and going to the sign up page are not going to actually register into the pro member, correct? So again I'm assuming, okay, there should be 10% of the conversion rate. So it means what? It means that I need 2,800 visitors, correct? I need 2,800 visitors to my landing page to get 28 pro users in days and earn $1,400 as a revenue. Okay, got my point. So if you see, you can dig into more. Okay, the more you dig, your vision will be more clear. Okay, you will see all the elements more clearly. Okay, so now so the funda is very clear. I'm not going to say that in 2 months I'm going to earn, my target is to get $1,000, okay, as a earning, as a profit. Instead of that, I can say, I want to earn $1,000 in 60 days with 280 free users or 28 pro member users plus 2,800 visitors to my site. Okay, so then you will you will work on in more detail. So whenever you're creating, suppose next goal is, suppose for example, next task is, suppose you have to create the Facebook ad. So now the target is already, or goal is already in your mind, that boss, I need 2,800 visitors to my page. So if I'm going to create the ad, okay, in that way I'm going to optimize that in 1 month or 2 months I will get 2,800 visitors to my landing page. Correct? So this is the whole goal part, we can say.